Hey everyone, haven't made a video in quite a while. I was churning them out not too long ago, but I kind of hit a roadblock with life and work and COVID and all that other fun stuff that's been happening. So I talked about this last time a little bit, or in one of my previous videos, I should say. Pretty much, I had these DVD drives. I tried for about a year to sell them and just couldn't get anything for them. So I decided to pretty much make a video on scrapping these and kind of figuring out what's worth more. Sorry about that. Had a phone call I had to take. So like I was saying, I have these drives and pretty much I'm gonna look to see if it's worth sending them in like this. I think they're at like 15 cents a pound, or strip them and see how much they're going for. I think they even have value when you send them without the DVD board. I'm looking that up right now. I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, I'm not really seeing them having value once you remove the DVD board. So pretty much it's either 15 cents as is on board sort, and then we have the boards that are worth, let's see, sorry about the delay. I should have done a little bit more research. Yeah, there you go. So hard drive, no, that's hard drive with board. Hard drive with no board. For some reason I can't find the DVD boards. Hard drive boards. There you go, CD-ROM boards. So the CD-ROM boards on their own, they're $4.25 a pound, or sell them 15 cents for the whole thing. So right now, the way I have it is we're at 13 pounds worth of DVD drives. So we're talking about $2 worth of scrap in this pile. So let's see what happens when we scrap everything. Some of these don't have DVD boards, which kind of sucks. So let's undo some of these boards. And I personally, one way or the other, I like to take them apart because you just take less space. And here's a board. And another thing that I do also is cut the ribbons for gold-plated material. See, this one has a board. This one doesn't, but it has gold-plated material. I'll put it in my gold-plated material pile. And again, this one doesn't have a board. Like some of this stuff I got as is, so it's possible previous people took them for whatever reason. Okay, let's start taking this guy apart. This one doesn't have an exciting board, but it still has one. And the ribbons here don't have much in gold. That's garbage. Board. Oh, this one has some nice gold plated ribbons and some not gold plated ribbons. Honestly, if I had the space, I'd just keep them as is, but I don't have a lot of space and my wife would kill me if I keep all the stuff. That's why I don't hold on to steel. So for me, for myself, I don't have a choice but to kind of take them apart. For some people it's worth it, some people it's not. I'm one of the people that it's worth stripping just for headache purposes. One more, and we'll see what we can do. You can take them apart even more. You can go more in depth. For example, you have the DVD boards, but then you also have the lasers, which have some gold-plated material, obviously some aluminum. You have copper-bearing motors, another board here. I might go through it a little more after the video, but I doubt it just because I'm not really into gold-plated material that much. But I do collect some. So now we have all the boards, so let's see what is gonna end up happening. So we have 9.2 ounces . 9.2 ounces, and we said it's at 425. So it's actually giving us more or less 44, about 50 cents more by doing what I just did. I don't know if you guys have more luck selling them complete for people who build towers and stuff, but I don't know, especially DVD drives, they're not as popular anymore. People get the Blu-ray drives and all that, so they're kind of pretty much obsolete. So I didn't have luck selling them. I tried selling them for over a year and nothing. So I have this, a bunch of garbage. I do get scrappers that pass by on garbage days, so a lot of times I give them a little box with steel and whatever, and they pick it up and they're happy. So end result is a bunch of DVD drives, about 13 pounds worth. We're talking about $1.95. Take everything apart, keep the boards. We're talking about $2.44. So that's all that there is for this video. Like, subscribe if you guys have any comments, questions. I'm all ears. Thanks for watching.